and go. Hello everybody right there. So this is JP right here, and in this video, as you can see right behind me, okay, I'm in a place where people gather to play games. They also buy some games. Alright, as you can see right here behind me, a bunch of people, they gather, they play, they talk, and they know about this wonderful world of games and more. So let's go and see what are they playing right now. I'm gonna share with you a pretty cool game. I really had a lot of fun. So it's Kuyuyui. It's called like that, everybody. So I recommend this one because it's pretty funny. Okay, it's actually for 4 people, up to 4 people maximum. So it's about like similar to the real one where you have like cuis, right? And you have to somehow, well, in English you're gonna call them guinea pigs, and you have to like bed into some boxes and stuff, and it's pretty funny. Another game I wanna recommend in this fantastic day, it's called Splendor. Okay, it's a pretty interesting game. As you can see, it's like with diamonds, you have to buy them, you have to collect them, and it's pretty funny. I mean, you have to think like a strategy or something. Okay, it's pretty interesting. If you guys have the chance to buy it, do it. I mean, you guys are gonna have a lot of fun too.
Gana. Esta edición viene con una expansión, así que ya sabes, están yendo casi 2 juegos por el precio de uno.
This is it. This is all about this video. Games, people. I have shown you like many of them actually. The ones I like, Gabarra was pretty interesting. Another game I played was Kuyuyui, which is, you know, something traditional from Peru. I'm gonna be attending more events like this, and I'll be showing you what else these, you know, stores and also games offered, because they are also new for me. So I hope you guys like it, and see you in another video. Bye bye.